Hi everybody and welcome to day 11, 6 and 5 of Waxvent. All me today. I'm on my own for the, well not on my own tailors here, but it's all my videos. There's a window there, so you're gonna this was actually, I got a couple of typos in the title of this video, but basically it said chock-a-block with a very small ear canal. So this is going to be absolutely full.
Oh, we didn't change our puppies. Sorry.
We didn't. Just
Sorry.
swap.
Yeah, we'll swap.
Yeah, we'll swap.
We got different ones on.
We have
got different ones on.
There you go. See. So yeah, we keep forgetting to do that. So this is that chewing gum, toffee type of wax. Is really sticky, thick,
and hairy.
Yeah, it's those fine downy hairs inside the ear canal as well. And the suction here, you can see I'm just trying to kind of maneuver it with the suction, but it's just not going anywhere. Curette going in here now. I'm going to see if I can get over the top just to break through that little bit of skin adhesion there at the top. And again, just gently probing further down the wax, just trying to get a little bit of a...
I guess he was kind of hoping for that kind of slip.
It's exactly what I was hoping for, yeah. That kind of, that slide out from the bottom there. Didn't quite get it. So you can see how sticky it is. Look at that. It's not even kind of breaking away. It's just literally spreading it like jam over the inside. Or I'm trying to think of a Christmas related. I can't think of one off the top of my head. Food stuff. But yeah, it's like that. Look at that.
Yeah, I can't think of anything either. I can't think of nothing.
Should we ruin the Americans? It's like PB&J.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Internationally ruined foodstuffs. I gotta think of an Australian one now. The Australian food stuff is always Tim Tams.
Oh, don't ask me.
No.
Don't ask me.
But this is coming away. Oh, it's nearly.
That's just got to detach now.
I know.
And that's. Oh, it's almost like a skin ribbon. That is.
Do you know what?
It's like
that's
unfolded, isn't it?
Yes.
It's like
I was so hoping it was going to be a skin ribbon, but not quite. It's kind of what it is that base layer is just so super dry, and everything is kind of like unfolding, but that base layer staying put. It's not quite coming away, unfortunately. There we go. Just the visual is just so poor, and I think even I know people are going to go in the comments. Cut the hair, cut the hair. Even if we cut this hair, the ear canal is so small. It's not going to make any difference whatsoever. It doesn't really it's not going to really improve things that much. I got to be honest.
And you do need the hair in there anyway.
You do.
It does. Yes, it's like it's a part of your ear's defense system. So like wax and
told us off the other day as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in the comment section on they shall remain anonymous, but it was on Facebook. Said, can we just please stop talking about any old nonsense and just stick to the wax removal?
Okay, then.
The answer to that is no. I don't think that's ever going to.
It's very hard to do that actually when we're both together.
It is, yeah. We tend to go off topic quite a lot, unfortunately. And
it mixes it up where we have a little laugh about it. It'll be boring otherwise if we just talk about wax.
Film reviews, you guys have had TV show recommendations. Yeah,
a lot.
Yes.
That's pretty much it, but yeah.
Yeah, we do gaming.
Oh yeah, we don't do games.
We do gaming.
Yeah.
We haven't actually recorded. Well, at the time of doing this, because I don't want to shatter the illusion, but we actually record most of these in end of November, so we haven't actually gone and done our games day, which is we've game off. We've got to put that in. We've got to get that one going.
That's got to be done.
That's got to be done. Yeah, we're gonna have to get it done. We're gonna have to book some time in the diary. We'll book a day, and we'll just get it done.
Just hours of board games. Like Monopoly, we're all day.
Oh, can you imagine? Yeah.
We're all day.
We just uploaded a 15-hour-long video.
Yeah, with the boringest video on it. Watching people play Monopoly for 15 hours.
Let's get it going, yeah. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, it's still going though, Taylor. There's a lot come out so far, but it's still going. You're just not getting that big pull, that big chunk movement. Do you know what I mean? You're just getting that sticky peel all the way down.
It's starting to move a little bit. Yeah.
I had one the other day and I was like, oh, this is going to be a skin rib and I know this is going to be... I peeled it and it just started to come out like that and I was like, oh, I went to reposition it and it snapped. I was like, oh, no.
They get so fine, like in the middle of the
They do. Because you get all carried away, so you get the chunky bit at the one end and you get the chunky bit at the back and there's this long, thin strip in the middle.
And then you lose it in the suction tube then. And you're like, oh, there we are. There goes my ruler shot.
Now it's starting to come back out. Look at that. Difficult. It's harder when it gets closer to the entrance because you're kind of holding the canal open.
Yeah.
But look, there's still no gap. I was expecting to see like a little bit of an eardrum now.
Is this like a first removal? Do you know? Is that?
I don't know. I think.
That's a lot in there.
I'm trying to go back. No, the name I recognise, so they've definitely been before.
Okay.
So
that's a.
I know.
Quick build up then, isn't it?
Yeah. But in fairness, it might have been like goodness knows how many years ago they came round. In fairness, look at that. Trying to peel off that reset. Look, I'm thinking, come on, something.
Because you always get a similar problem, or we tend to see a similar problem coming through quite often with these really narrow ear canals, because the ear is supposed to clear wax by itself.
Yeah.
The skin will sort of grow from where the eardrum is. It'll, like a conveyor belt, grow outwards, and then every now and then when you're drying your ears off after a shower, you'll get little bits of wax and skin coming out, which is fine. But yeah, the smaller ear canals, the really tight ones, it just struggles to do that, and you'd end up having to come every like sort of 3, 6, 9 months, and
a lot more regularly. And it does tend to sort of almost dry a little bit, so you end up with this very super sticky kind of, not mushy, it is just really, really sticky, this type of wax. I'm really hoping that I can keep this in one piece, because
it looks like it.
I don't want it to break down in that recess, because the entrance to the canal is so narrow. To get down into these recesses, you've got to kind of almost approach it from an angle, and you just can't get that angle, can you? That's the problem.
You need 2 people to pull the one side of the ear.
That'd be handy. Oh, we got a glimpse of an eardrum. There we go. Let's have a look here. Is this gonna? Oh, not quite. Not quite. It's still not loose enough, because you had one a couple of days ago, didn't you, where you got the whole plate moving. That was a really hard one. Just not seeing that here.
Yeah, sometimes that kind of forwards and back can sometimes detach it. Oh, there it is. Here it comes.
There you're starting to see that little bit of movement. I don't know whether I've spotted that bit of movement, because I went more kind of left to right then. Whereas I think I might, unless I just run out of space where I'm moving right to left, because you're almost getting too close to the canal wall. I might have done, looking at the wiggle I got going on there now. Oh, in your brain you're just going, come on. Out you come on. Coaxing it along. Let's have a look. Hey, something's moving. It's kind of very slowly progressing down the canal, not at super speeds.
No. It's just so sticky.
It's just not going anywhere, is it? It's just not going anywhere. Can we get... Let's have a look here.
You wouldn't even be able to grab that with the forceps either, would you? Because it's just going to cut straight, like a pair of scissors basically. It'll just cut straight through the middle of it. A little bit of oil to help it to slip out.
Yeah. Just trying to get that edge now to grab. I've cleared that left-hand side, just cleared straight across. But it's this right-hand side now is where the bulk of that plug is. I'd be interested with the ruler shot on this one, because I can't quite remember the... Ooh, a little bit of a flinch. I can't quite remember the ruler shot.
God, still deep, isn't it? The back end of it is still...
Yeah, surprising, isn't it? Just how it sort of clipped that front end away. But sometimes that'll just make a slightly smoother surface for you to get a grip on.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, nice. Look at that.
Like you said, it's difficult, this entrance here, because you've got to... Normally you'd hold the ear open while you're pulling the wax forward, and then when you get to this point, can't do it unless you've got somebody else there to hold the ear open. It just kind of clamps down on the wax, doesn't it?
You can see it's just like I pulled it so far forwards with the suction, but suction's just not got the grip to pull this forwards. I think I've just clipped the front end there rather than got behind it, but you know, it's making it shorter every time, so you've got more chance of pulling it. But I can see further in, there's another piece still stuck down near the eardrum. Bit of a beastie, this one, isn't it? Oh, that's promising.
Oh, this is a horrible one to do, isn't it? Just never ending.
He's getting sweaty. You can see the back of his hands getting all sweaty. He's like, oh.
My back's hurting for you.
Yeah, this took a while, fair play. It did take a while to get this out. Now what have we got? We've still got a layer at the bottom here now, look, which needs lifting. And it's surprising how thick these layers are when you start to lift them up, isn't it? Look at that. Do you know what I mean? You'd
just
think,
hidden away.
Yeah. So it was basically full front to back, this ear canal. I really want this to peel nicely, all come out in one big chunk.
Oh no, that's left a little bit there, isn't it? That's left a bit there, isn't it?
It's not gonna and then we're going to go right down to that bottom section. Now, can I lift up? Because I really don't want like a thin layer left down here.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's what you want. And that's what was, you know, that was attached to that front section. So it was hooked into that recess and it didn't want to come out.
Oof.
Yeah, same problem again now though. Just getting it past, there you go, the entrance. And there we go.
Lovely. Oh,
that's for one ear canal, mind.
Wow.
That was completely chock-a-block, wasn't it?
Yeah, about 5.5 centimetres.
2.25 inches out of one canal. It's a good one, Alan. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching day 11? 11, thank you very much, at Waxvent. We'll be back for day 12 tomorrow. If you are enjoying the videos, don't forget to like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for us. If you really enjoy the videos, you can also consider becoming members of the channel. That way then you get to see even more videos every single week. But until day 12, guys, until tomorrow. As always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.